Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture in T3 Arena. To change your profile avatar or your picture in T3 Arena, first of all, open up the T3 Arena app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in the main home screen, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and then this will open up the player info section. Tap on your profile picture one more time, and on the next page where it says change portrait, go ahead and select a different profile picture from the available avatar. The profile picture or the avatar will unlock as you progress throughout the game, so make sure that you have unlocked them first so that you can use it as your profile picture. If you haven't owned it yet, you will not be able to change your avatar. If you have it, then you can go ahead and change your profile picture in T3 Arena. So that is the way how you can do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.